Imagine this. Not only can you unlock Perplexity Pro for free, but you can also earn real money, up to $20 for every single person you refer. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to claim your free account and how to start generating income simply by sharing a link. So let's begin. First things first, open up your web browser. In the description of this video, you'll find a special link. This link is very important. It isn't just any link. It's the exact one you must use in order to unlock Perplexity Pro for free and to access the referral program that pays you. Once you paste it into your browser and hit enter, you'll be taken to the claim invitation page. On that page, you'll see a button waiting for you. Click it. Next, you'll be asked to sign in. You have two choices here. Sign in quickly with your Google account, or enter your email manually. For this demonstration, I'm entering my email manually. After that, you'll receive a verification code. I opened my Gmail, copied the code they sent me, and pasted it back into the box. Immediately, the page refreshed and took me straight to the next step. Now comes the interesting part. You'll be prompted to download Comet, the Perplexity browser. Click on the download option and let it install. Once the installation is complete, launch the browser. It might take a moment to get going, but soon you'll see the setup screen. Log in with the same email you used earlier, finish the short setup, and then, just like that, you're inside. At the top of the new tab page, you'll notice a banner saying, "Get $5 for each friend you invite to Comet." But here's the secret most people miss. That number can go way higher. You can actually earn up to $20 per referral. I'll show you how. Before anything else, you need to prove your account is active. Simply type something into the search bar. Search for anything, your favorite movie, the weather, or even the word love. Spend about 5 to 10 seconds browsing. This quick activity confirms to Perplexity that you're a genuine user. Now look back at the new tab page. Find the option that says Invite and Earn and click it. This is your golden door. Here, you'll find your own personal referral link. You can copy it and send it to your friends, post it online, or even email it directly through the platform itself. Curious about how much you could earn? Scroll down and click on View Payouts. This will take you to the partner dashboard. When you land there, you'll need to complete a tiny setup. Choose your country, click Continue, and you're in. You can add your social media details or set up your payment options later. This dashboard will show all of your earnings in real time. For now, mine says $20 because I got 3 people to sign up before this demonstration. Here's where the real excitement begins. Although the banner said $5, the payout depends on where your referrals are coming from. For example, if someone from the United States signs up through your link, you'll get $20. If someone from India joins, you'll get $2. Each country falls into a different reward tier, with Tier 1 countries paying the maximum $20 per referral. And that's not all. There's also something called bounties. Think of these as extra challenges that pay bonuses. For instance, I saw a bounty that promised an additional $100 if I managed to generate 10 referrals within a certain time frame. That means you're not only earning from the standard referrals, but also stacking on special rewards. So, let's recap everything. Use the special link in the description. Download the Comet browser, sign up, and confirm your account by performing a quick search. Then, grab your personal referral link from the invite page and start sharing it. The more people who sign up through your link, the more money you earn. And while you're at it, don't forget that you've also unlocked your free Perplexity Pro account, which is a huge bonus on its own. It's truly like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. You get access to a powerful AI tool for free, and at the same time, you're opening up a new income stream. But I should point out one last thing. This offer is time sensitive. It could end at any moment, which means the sooner you act, the better. Do not forget to sign up with my link. This method is completely authentic, straightforward, and only takes a couple of minutes to set up. Once you're done, you can start earning right away.